Hello guys, welcome to SuperViral Reviews. If you want this tool, please find the link in description. So powerful IT should be illegal. 3-click app lets you legally hijack millions of free visitors and sends them to any link within minutes. No creating videos. No editing. No hard work. Watch this video for more information. Built for beginners. 100% legal and ethical. Get traffic that converts into sales. No uploading videos required. Creative Commons re-uploading is not involved. 100-day money-back guarantee. World-class support included. Exploited. We exploit others' viral videos on YouTube for free buyer traffic, without having to re-upload anything. And best of all, it's 100% legal and ethical. Free traffic that turns into $46,438 in passive profit. Wanna do the same? Follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Pick a niche. You want to get traffic in. This could be weight loss or make money online. Step 2. Enter your link that you want traffic sent to. This could be anything, such as an affiliate link or your own product. Step 3. Enjoy the traffic. ProfitzBuddy will find viral videos that you can get free traffic from, and redirect all the traffic to your link. Yup, it's that simple. And rinse and repeat whenever you want more traffic and sales. Question: do you have $1? If so, that's all you need to start getting traffic. Yes. We've discovered a way to generate boatloads of free traffic with just a tiny investment of $1. No more or no less. As long as you have $1, you can start sending traffic to your links. Guaranteed. It's all thanks to a shocking discovery that's letting us siphon free buyer traffic from others' viral videos on YouTube, without re-uploading or creating a single video ourselves. Legal theft. Theft is a harsh word indeed, but we're able to legally and ethically steal free traffic from the most popular videos on YouTube. Free traffic from viral videos like these. Yup, we can direct the traffic coming from these viral videos to our links, which in turn makes us $1,000 in commissions for free. Here's one way to put it. This is like stealing cookies from a cookie jar, and there's nothing anyone can do to stop you. Because believe it or not, this is all 100% legal and compliant with YouTube's policies. And we don't have to create a single video ourselves. How impressive is that? Dear stress beginner. With all the time that's passed in 2021, are you still struggling to make money online? Are you embarrassed by how many products you've bought that never seem to make you a single penny? Wish that you could just skip the BS and finally earn some money? If so, I totally understand your frustration. In fact, let me show you a simple formula for making money. Traffic plus something to sell. This equation alone has made us millions of dollars. You're likely struggling with the traffic part, right? Don't worry, we can help you with that. Hi there, it's David Kirby and Al Cheeseman. As 7-figure marketers, with 20 years of combined experience, we get a lot of questions every day. But the most common one by far is, how do I get traffic? And it's no surprise, because this is what most beginners struggle with. It's the #1 reason why 99% of people never make money online. You're probably no different, right? No matter what you're doing, you need traffic. E-commerce, freelancing, affiliate marketing, high-ticket sales, product creation, CPA offers. Sadly, it's never been harder to get traffic, especially in an easy, efficient, and low-cost way. With so many confusing and expensive methods, it can make you feel like a deer in the headlights. There are so many different ways to generate traffic online, and you've likely heard of them. Methods like solo ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, content creation, making videos, SEO, Perhaps you've even tried them out. But how did they work? I can safely assume not that well. And I'm here to tell you that you're not alone. See, these methods used to be effective years ago. Times have changed now, it's nearly impossible for a beginner to see success with them. You sadly need to have some experience behind your belt to make them work. What if there was a better way? Let me ask you this. What if there was a way to get traffic without all the BS? What if you didn't have to work hard? What if you didn't have to spend more than $1? What if you didn't need experience? What if you didn't have to wait for the traffic to come in? Would that interest you? Well, after nearly 1 year of research, such a system exists. It meets all of those requirements above. So what are we doing? Here's the secret. What we're doing to get traffic is known by virtually nobody. You see, we figured out a way to legally steal free traffic from others' YouTube videos. In case you didn't know, YouTube is where all the action is right now. 2 billion users to tap into. People watch more than 1 billion hours of video on YouTube daily. 300,000 videos uploaded every day. 82% of internet traffic will be video by 2022, 15x higher than 2017. And here's the best part. We get oodles of buyer traffic from YouTube without creating videos, editing videos, re-uploading videos, Creative Commons. We simply leverage existing videos in a unique way that nobody else is doing. Is it legal though? Yes. This is all completely legal, ethical, and abides by YouTube's guidelines. Whenever people visit a specific video, a portion of the traffic is redirected to our links. Pretty cool, huh? Now, you might be asking yourself, what? How are you legally stealing traffic from others' videos? And hey, I don't blame you for thinking we're crazy. Because this is completely unheard of. How it works. As you know, most YouTube videos have clickable links in their description. We'll take Mr. Beast for example. This is a recent video of his that has a whopping 39 million views. See how there's a link on there? Well, sometimes the YouTube channel owner can forget to renew the domain. Their tiny mistake is a gold mine for us. So how do we legally and ethically steal traffic from other YouTube videos? So if Mr. Beast forgets to renew the domain shopmerbeast.com, you can pick it up, for just $1, and redirect the traffic to any link of your choice. This means, every time someone would click that link, you would get the traffic. But here is a big problem. It can take forever to find these expired domains on YouTube videos. Sadly, it's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. You could be searching through hundreds upon hundreds of videos trying to find an expired domain. Who wants to do that? Ugh. No thanks. We knew there was a better way. So we developed an app that does the work for us. Legally steal traffic. In just 3 simple steps. Find. Snatch. Redirect. Step 1. Find. Enter any keyword to find viral YouTube videos that have expired domains names. Step 2. Snatch. Pick up the domain name for just $1. Easier than ordering pizza. Step 3. Enjoy. Sit back, relax and enjoy traffic and profits. Once you've put in your link, you'll start receiving traffic from other people's videos on YouTube. Just imagine for a second, how many potential leads and sales you could be getting. Want more traffic? Just rinse and repeat. How many videos will you hijack for free traffic? Yes, it's real. Get free traffic with zero work. Buyer traffic that turns into sales. No more empty affiliate accounts. Bringing you the world's first ProfitzBuddy. How does it work? ProfitzBuddy sifts through millions of videos on YouTube to find viral ones with expired domains in the description. You can buy these domains for around $1 and redirect the traffic coming into any link of your choice. I have no experience, can I do this? Yes. This is something that a 5th grader could do. ProfitzBuddy finds the domains for you. All you have to do is purchase the domain and enter the link you want traffic sent to. Does this require technical skills? Nope. If you can press a few buttons and copy and paste, that's all you need to get free traffic with ProfitzBuddy. How long does it take to get free traffic? Some ProfitzBuddy users were able to get free traffic within 90 seconds after using the app. What extra expenses are involved? The only additional expense is purchasing a domain name. It will only cost you $1. Is this really legal? Yes, it is. Picking up someone else's domain name that they forgot to renew is not illegal. Get all the traffic you'll ever need with ProfitzBuddy. We're receiving commissions 24/7. Non-stop thanks to traffic-generated ProfitzBuddy. Let me ask you something. If you could generate all the traffic you needed, would making money online be an issue? Of course not. Because a lack of traffic is what's holding you back. And getting it will be a breeze with ProfitzBuddy. Smile. Set and forget. ProfitzBuddy gets you free buyer traffic 24/7, non-stop. Like a well-oiled machine. Free traffic forever? If you like consistent, long-term results, you can count on ProfitzBuddy. This is not another one of those loopholes that work for a few weeks, and quickly get patched up. ProfitzBuddy will continue getting you traffic for years from now. And I can say this with confidence because we've been using this for nearly 2 years to get traffic. It still works like a charm, every single time. Smile. ProfitzBuddy will not let you down. So how is this even possible? There are so many different ways to monetize the traffic you get with ProfitzBuddy. Affiliate marketing, e-commerce, drop shipping, high-ticket sales, freelancing, email list building, consulting services, local marketing. Sell your own products. ProfitzBuddy lets you dominate any platform out there. Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, Digistore24, Amazon Affiliate, eBay Affiliate, CJ Affiliate, Max Bounty, Walmart Affiliate. Gone are the days of struggling to make money online. Are you ready for a better life? Stop worrying about money. Leave your dead-end job. Upgrade to a better house. Live with peace of mind. Build a huge retirement fund. Finally treat your family right financially. To make this a complete no-brainer, we'll also throw in $7,188 worth of bonuses. Bonus 1. Our secret $1,000 a day method live training. Value, $2,997. Bonus 2. Video training. Value, $197. Bonus 3. Agency license. Value, $1,997. Bonus 4. 24/7 premium support. Value, priceless. Bonus 5. $100 plus a day with ProfitzBuddy case study. Value, $1,997. Get ProfitzBuddy for a massive discount. You won't pay anywhere near $2,497. Not $997. Not $497. Not even $27. But don't wait. This discount will expire. This is your chance to finally break through. 100% risk-free 100-day better than money-back guarantee. Let's look at everything you're getting with ProfitzBuddy. So don't waste your time and get instant access now. This tool link in description, please check it out. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for more information. Sign off.